If you want to learn how to use a fire extinguisher, this is the right video for you. In today's video, I'll go ahead and show you how to use a fire extinguisher and what type of fire can it be used on. So this is basically a Kita ABC rated fire extinguisher. So the class A fire is the wood, paper, and trash fire. This often typically comes with paper, wood, like wood, you would usually see in every kind of material, such as a pencil, a table, or something like that. Some trash cans, which obviously is flammable, as well as some this is literally trash, wood, and paper. Now, going over here, we do have a class B fire, which is meant for gasoline and liquid fires. For example, gasoline/oil fires. This, like, sometimes, even other gases like flammable liquids. And this is the class C fires, which is, like, by the way, the most dangerous fire in the entire history. Literally class C fires, electrical equipment, because there are a lot of electricity uses, and if by any chance that catches on fire, then typically, you'll have to use this kind of stuff. Otherwise, if this is not around, it could spread. Now, let's go over the basics of what a fire extinguisher is. So, a fire extinguisher is a hand-used manual tool meant for putting out small fires, like small fires, to prevent larger ones. But if the fire hits the growth phase, then do not ever use a fire extinguisher. Otherwise, it'll only make the fire worse. So, it's a fire extinguisher. It's meant for, let me see. It's meant for small fires. So now let's go over the basics of the pass method. Number 1, pull the pin, hold upright. So you want to be able to hold upright. Like, this is the safety pin right here that releases the trigger mechanism available. For now, it's going to be staying there with a tamper seal, so in case someone tries to tamper with it, the seal is meant to protect the pin from being pulled, which in turn activates the fire extinguisher's phase. But it does not really directly activate it. It's just, opens the mechanism for it to be able to activate. So like if you try to squeeze the lever, in case you accidentally do it by mistake, then the pin will be there with the tamper seal to stop accidental discharges. This can prevent injuries and damage. Number 2, aim at the base of the fire. So you want to aim at the base, not at the flames, but at the base of the fire. So then, number 3, squeeze the lever. Squeeze and hold the lever. If you release the lever, then it'll stop the spraying mechanism. So you have to squeeze the lever and hold it in order until full pressure has run out. Because you want all of that pressure, or at least some of the pressure, to go out of the extinguisher. So, and then number 4, sweep side to side. Yeah, you want to be able to sweep the fire from side to side, this and that. So that way, if by any chance, because fire can spread easily, so you want to sweep it from side to side, and that way you will not have to worry about the fire being spread. So then wait for 15 minutes at least 15 minutes, and if somehow the fire does reignite, drop the extinguisher, run out of the area, and call 911. Now, it's there are some important factors to consider. Number 1, the pressure gauge. Right now, it is currently full. However, if it shows empty, that means there's no pressure inside of it. Let me take a closer look. Absolutely, it's in the green zone. If it hits the red zone, that means there's no pressure. So, number 2, you have to check the fire extinguisher's nozzles for any broken or clogged up parts, because that could actually prevent an emergency fire response should a fire ever occur. And we may have to also check this part right here. So yeah, any broken parts in the bottom, something like that, then you may have to check it. So yeah, but anyways, other than that, that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, have a great day, and remember, stay smart and stay safe.